Hi guys, this is an off-the-wall live, so if you're not here, you'll catch it later. I wanted to show you something. I felt like a salad tonight. It's Ro from Ro's Kitchen, for those who don't know. And I wanted to make, I'm in the mood for a salad. I'm going to show you what I put on a salad for myself when I'm really in the mood for something different. So if most of you have seen the last week's live on Thursday, and you can catch it in rerun somewhere, you can. Hi Nancy. You know that we did a raspberry dressing for the salad. Well, this time I wanted to show you that shopping for the season is easy enough. So they didn't have, the raspberries were too expensive, but they had blackberries on sale for $1.68. Now why would I pay $3 for raspberries when I can get blackberries for $1.68 and make the dressing? So I'm in the mood for that dressing again. I really enjoyed that dressing that I made that night with the raspberries. I thought it was just fantastic. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my blackberries in, and I'm going to make the blackberry. Oh shoot, the dog just got one. I don't know if dogs are allowed to eat blackberries or not, but he did. I'm not concerned he eats anything. He's a little garbage can. He's not a doggy, he's a piggy. So I'm going to turn you over this way a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing here with the dressing and everything. So hang on as I move you around. Here we go. Alrighty, great. So anyway, I put the blackberries in here, and the recipe, as you remember or might not remember, calls for a half a cup of water, a dash of red wine vinegar, and that might have been too big a dash, that's okay. And then 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, and that's 1, 2. So, eyeballed it. That's the way I fly when I'm not writing the recipe. If I have to write a recipe, then I have to practice with measurements because I can't tell you to eyeball it. I mean, some of you can, without a doubt. So we're going to go ahead and make this and see how it comes out. It's going to be good, I know. Okay. So this is going to be a 5-minute video, guys, just so you know. All right. Let's see if it has the flavor. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. That is really good. Can you see in there? Doesn't that look fantastic? Well, I'll drizzle it over my salad and you'll be able to see it. So my salad for tonight is basically just a plain old bag of lettuce. They had a salad bag for $1.99 because I'm too lazy to cut a head of lettuce up. But it had cabbage and carrots in it, and I like that. And then I put some red pepper strips, but I like to dress up my salad with other things because when I'm in the mood for a salad, I really want a good salad. So I have a half a container of pomegranate left. I'm going to throw that on there. So I love pomegranate, and I usually use pomegranate mostly in my oatmeal. But I'm going to be a little daring tonight and go with my pomegranate on there. And then I love cranberries, and cranberries are so good for you. So I had some frozen cranberries that I left on the counter to defrost. I'm going to throw my cranberries in there. Those cranberries again, another great fruit that's really good for you. And then for a contrast, I decided I love, and this is strange again maybe, I hope you eat this, but as you can see on my cutting board, I have fresh corn, I have scallions, and I have cucumbers. So that gives it that refreshing flavor. So I'm going to put that on there. I love corn off the cob raw. Yeah, you don't have to cook it, you know. It's really delicious just raw. I love it in my Buddha bowls. I'll put corn, but now I'm putting them in my salads. So if I toss that around a little bit, we can get some more color in there. It's not all flavored on top. So there's my dinner tonight. I know I wanted a small salad, but oh well, I'll eat it all. And now I'm going to just take that beautiful blackberry dressing. Remember last time was raspberry? You could probably even use strawberry. And just look at the contrast of color on this. This is beautiful. Now, of course, as I eat it down, I will add more dressing to it because I'm a dressing freak. I love my dressing when I have dressing. So that's all I wanted to share with you. I hope you're all having a great day. I'll post this. Don't forget now, Thursday night is now 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the live Facebook group. Okay? And I think if there's anything else I want to tell you. The newsletter was supposed to go out today. I don't think it did, but I'll get right on that. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.